Want to know how to import or save file in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guidance how it can work. It's super simple and only a minute, so let's get straight to it. The first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. So once you've opened up your NetBeans application right here, you should be see navigation bar on the top. So now just simply select file right here, the first navigation which you see that is located right here. And now once you select file here, you should be seeing open project. Just simply select open project and a file explorer should open up on the side. So it should look something like this right here. So I have my mapping projects right here. So you can just simply double click it or select open project right here to open it up. And that's it. Super simple and easy. So right here you can see projects as well, which you can select and open from. And you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.